part 58 of chapter 3. The legend goes that Jalal made a practice of seeing the new moon of the Arabian New Year, Muharram, and always uttered the following prayer on seeing it. O our Lord God, thou art the past eternal one, the future eternal one, the ancient one. This is a new year. I beg of thee therein steadfastness to withstand the lapidated Satan and assistance against the rebellious spirit within me. Also, occupation in what will approximate me to thee, and an avoidance of what might elongate me from thee, O God. O, the all-merciful one, the all-compassionate one, through thy mercy, O most compassionate of the merciful ones, O thou Lord of majesty and of honor. Now, a lot of the so-called Bid'ah narrations are just from different collections. Now, I don't remember which one this is from. Is it something that a scholar came up with? And if there's nothing outside or contrary to the religion, it doesn't fall under the Bid'ah label.